Hello and welcome to a quick news of sport, where we're going to interview the new player Alex Archer.
Why did you go to Arsenal when you almost won everything?
Because moving to Arsenal could be a great success for my career. I could get better. And now I am in the Champions League too. It's really unexpected, but I'm happy for it. And also, my family needs money because I've grown up in a poor family and society. So, yeah.
What does your family think of the trade?
They think it's good because of the I was poor and they were too.
What do you think of the Arsenal fans?
I like the Arsenal fans because they're not as aggressive as the other team I used to be at. So it's great because at the other team sometimes they would run in on the field and sometimes maybe just attack a player, and that would ruin a whole game.
What do you think of the play style?
I like to play aggressive, especially at first, but I don't like go defensive the last minute because that can be quite dangerous if you don't want them to score. So you should probably play more aggressive. But I like it.
Have you looked up to a player in Arsenal?
Yeah, Thierry Henry, because he was great, and he's back in Arsenal now. I can still follow him. I talked to him yesterday, and we talked about his career, and he said I could be really good if I take it more seriously.
What was the feeling when you signed the contract?
I was kind of feeling a rush. Also now I am working with some better players. Also, I have a better manager. He treats me better than the other one. I never got really to play as much as I do now. And also, it's going to be great. I'm going to be in the Champions League. I never thought of that. Also, I'm in Premier League. I play against one of the biggest clubs like Manchester United, Manchester City, and Chelsea.
And that was all. See you tomorrow.